Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. The theme for this particular cupcake is Beetlejuice, which I'm sure you've guessed. And I'm not going to talk you through all of the specific things that I do because I think it's pretty self-explanatory. I am going to tell you though about the equipment that I used to make this much easier. Number one, a circle cutter. Make sure that it's the right size for your cupcake. It's going to make your life so much easier. Number two, I use a palette knife over a pizza cutter or something similar, just because it allows me to get absolutely straight lines, which I think are really important for this kind of cake. And also, I make sure that I use enough icing sugar. I'm sure you can see how much I'm using, but you can remove it later. What I really don't want is for things to stick. That's really important. So I always make sure that I use enough icing sugar, and you can remove it either with a very lightly damp paintbrush or a steamer, like a handheld steamer, or from a kettle with a very light touch, and that'll just get rid of any icing sugar that's left over. Oh, and another thing that I haven't mentioned, the glue that I use, I make it putting some fondant and water together, letting it mush, and then I've got my perfect consistency. Now my buttercream, as you can see, I just coloured it with yellow and blue. Not too much blue, but this way I was able to get the perfect shade of green that I'm piping on here. Something that I didn't record, but I did do, is I added a little smear of black buttercream just to the front, just to make him look a bit dirtier the way he does in the movies. I really hope that you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.